Kami jung Islam Dr. Rahman Prin Lindo la penpau bakalong ke bedon kam bandon ya ke komiti hagjela ke ban kmi binya kerpang tanna gamta ke kam ban penbet yo podu sam jong jela haba juba perlu ke jingkli ya ke jingkmi linti na kata ke jungban ke jong menteri kampo yeng jonggari wa mecha ke baklan pat chindola bon urlong ya ke ba ikong amprin ilaong bagini ke berkhot la sulong tang ke jingap kmi linti hindi ke bero kansong hakta ke mon ke berat ba ne ke political will ke ba limda de don sha ya kata ke jingkut jingbot katno tam lele la persang ban penkloy ya ke kam ban penbet ya ki kapo tang haleni swa ban long election ka kam hi kanum la satya bakan position ru namar ki babun ba ki kep jong kisni bat ki por ke blaleno ka kam yakran ni penbet ya upod usam kam sim na poi satya ru compare what happening ki babun jong ki jingya kendo.
See, the biggest expectation that we had was the arrival of the Honorable Home Minister of the Government of India coming to the state of Meghalaya. Again and again that has not happened. There was much expectation and speculation even in the last 1 week about the probable visit of the Honorable Home Minister of the Government of India to the state of Meghalaya. Now, if there is no political will, then there's going to be problems. Because if you are going to try and solve the interstate border issue between two states just before an election, then it's going to be tainted with a lot of other political motivation. And we feel that so that this issue is put behind us once and for all, let us constitute, at least we in our state should constitute our own interstate border committee or commission. Where's the harm if the state of Meghalaya does it? Because we have seen that in the past it has never fructified, because there have been no results that have arisen out of any dialogue on the interstate border issue. In a region where there is a huge interstate border issue is something that we will all look at. But the point here is that we need to be very clear. Is this meeting going to be recorded as the meeting to settle the border dispute between the state of Assam and Meghalaya? We have demanded for a very long time that there should be a new commission put in place after the shortfall of the report of the Chandrachud committee. We have said that we want another commission to be installed and put in place. And when you talk about an interstate border dispute, it is not just between two chief ministers. There has to be all party representations in that committee. The chief minister, along with his officials of the government of Meghalaya alone, cannot constitute a border dispute committee between two states, because every stakeholder, every political party should feel that yes, my perspective has been taken in. That is why we say constitute a new committee. Now you have a new face in the leadership, political leadership of Assam. This is the right moment for us to do it, because if we do delay, then election and other matters will take precedence, and then again this entire border issue between the state of Meghalaya and Assam will remain pending. If we do not have an all-party representation in such a meeting, there is going to be suspiciousness. Because the chief minister alone cannot take forward the arguments, because many governments in the past have proceeded decision taking. Many representations have been made to the government of India. We need to ensure that all the representations of all political parties are also included in the border dispute dialogue with Assam. And I sincerely hope that our chief minister will have the foresight of this important agenda, keeping in mind that there will always be conflict. The give and take theory will never be something which is accepted by any of the states. if all political parties are not taken on board. There is going to be a suspiciousness because not all constituencies in the state are represented by one single political party. We need to make sure that if all this opportunity is made available for both the states to have this dialogue, then the correct representation should also be part of that important discussion.